This is how Moana's sound effects were made. Dwayne Johnson didn't just voice Maui, he also helped create many of Maui's sound effects himself, adding extra realism and personality to the character.
You know, I think we need the other one, right? Because this is like Small Bird. Yeah.
That was great.
That's
that was
much better.
The funniest part, his work was so impressive that one of the Foley artists joked they might lose their job if Dwayne ever decided to switch careers.
That was good.
Pretty good, right?
Foley artist?
Well, you know, I can't take your job.